Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rekha, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government Arts and Science College, Valparai. Tamil Nadu Government Arts and Science College admission 2021 is announced by Tamil Nadu Government Higher Education Department. Online application form for the admission 2021 is available on the official website from 26th July till 10th August 2021. In this video, I'll show how to apply for Tamil Nadu Government Arts and Science Admission Application Form 2021 through online and what are the documents needed to apply for online admission. Before that, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click bell button so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. Students who have completed 12th standard can apply for the admission of undergraduate first year. And the website to apply for TNGASA 2021 is www.tngasa.in. I have given this link in my description, so by clicking the link you can go to the direct website. You can apply through computer or by using your smartphone. If you are unable to do, then you can visit the admission facilitation center provided in all government arts and science colleges near you. Now I'll show the demo of registration in online portal of TNGASA 2021. Visit official website. You can see that there are 5 steps. First one is candidate registration, then application form filling, colleges and the course selection. Next one is payment of application fee and last one is application download and print. First step is candidate registration. So click new registration. When you click new registration, in the next page you can see the instructions. So you have to read and agree the terms and condition by clicking. Then you can give submit. So after submitting, you can view this page. Here you have to give name of the candidate, email ID, password and mobile number. Then you can give generate OTP. After receiving the OTP, you have to type the number over here and then you have to give submit. So your first step is completed and you will receive a notification like registered successfully, and here you can note down your application number. Click login button, then you can sign in with your email ID and password. So when your first step is completed, you will receive a message from TNGASA to the registered mobile number. Then you can view your dashboard, and the next step, that is second step, is to fill the application form. Click second step. Here you have to give your personal informations. Personal information details which you have to give are your name, father name, gender, date of birth, your mobile number, nationality, religion, then your Aadhaar number, state, district and PIN code. You can select the state, district, religion and community by clicking the arrow mark. After giving all details, then you have to click continue. Next page is to give special reservation information. Here you have to select the option yes or no for all the informations. Then after completing, you can click continue to go to the next page. Here you can view the next page. This form is about academic informations. Here you have to give all information related to 12th standard, that is register number, then qualifying examinations, whether you have passed or not, then medium. Then also you can select the board. Then you can select the year which you have passed. Then select the group code. At the end of this video, I have shared the group code. If you don't know, you can refer that. After giving all the information, you can click continue button. In the next page, you have to give the subject marks which you have obtained. In the previous page, you have already given the group code. So all the subject will be visible. So here you have to just mention the marks which you have obtained. When you give all the marks, the total will be calculated automatically, and you can see that the total mark will be visible for all part 1, part 2 and part 3. Then you can click preview and submit. You can check all the information which you have given is correct or not, and then you can click accept and submit. So second process is completed. The third process is selecting the colleges and courses. You can select one or more colleges, but for each colleges you have to pay registration fee and application fees. For SC and ST students, application fee is free, but they have to pay registration fees ₹2. And for other candidates, application fee is 48 and registration fee is ₹2. So total they have to pay ₹50. But only for XC and ST candidates, they have to pay ₹2. In each colleges, you can choose 2 or more courses. For that, you no need to pay extra fees. First, you have to select the college district, and then you can select the colleges of all government arts and science colleges in Tamil Nadu will be visible in the list. From there, you can select the colleges which you want to study. Then you can select courses. One or more courses can be selected. The total amount will be visible. For SC ST it's ₹2 and for other candidates it's ₹50. And when you choose 2 or more colleges, the amount will be double. Then you can give submit button. You will receive a notification like your application submitted successfully. You can go back to dashboard, and the next process is to pay the fees. When you go to the payment process, you can view your application number, your name, email ID, mobile number and application fee. You can select the payment gateway and pay the fees. The page you can confirm and pay. You can pay using your credit card, debit card, QR code or UPI. After making payment, your last process is to download the application form. So in your dashboard you can see like this, all 5 process will be completed. In the last stage you can download and take the print of your application form. This process is related to registering your application through online. So next process is to upload certificate. So it will be announced by the government soon. So candidates need to upload certificates online only. So it can be done through the help of admission facilitation center at government arts colleges of each districts. Students, you can access these help centers to get all the service that are required. Finally, there will be counseling and admission process. So for the online admission form, the documents needed are your name, phone number, email address, caste and community certificate, then special reservation category, registration fees which can be paid through credit card, debit card, net banking, DD, then Aadhaar number, then your 12th standard mark sheets and registration number, then a list of courses and colleges which you are willing to apply, and finally use of data sheet for the application registration of TNGA-SA 2021. Next, I am sharing the group code. So while filling the application form, you can check and confirm it. Like and share this video to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos as well. And further, if you have any more doubts, you can follow my Instagram and ask doubts. And for latest updates, you can join Telegram group. You can get the link from my description. Thanks for watching.